In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Hostinger account in 2025 and guide you through the process of signing up or registering for Hostinger so you can start your very own website. Let's dive in and get your online presence up and running. First, you'll want to head over to the Hostinger website. Open your favorite web browser and type in the Hostinger URL, or simply search for Hostinger in your preferred search engine. Once you're there, you'll notice a prominent button labeled Start Now. Give it a click to move forward in the process. Now, you should see various hosting plans laid out in front of you. Hostinger offers different packages to suit varied needs, whether you're starting a small blog or a full-fledged e-commerce site. Click on Choose Plan next to the option that best fits your goals. If you need help deciding, consider factors like anticipated traffic, your budget, or future expansion plans. Next, it's time to decide on the duration of your hosting plan. Under Choose a Month, select the period you intend to commit to. Longer terms typically offer better rates, providing savings if you plan on maintaining your site long term. With your plan selected, you'll arrive at the billing information page. Here, you'll need to complete your address details. Make sure to double check every field for accuracy to avoid any issues during payment processing. Once all your details are in place, you will choose your payment method. Hostinger typically supports various payment options such as credit cards, PayPal, and maybe even cryptocurrencies. Select your preferred method and click Submit Payment to complete the transaction. After successfully processing your payment, you'll normally be directed to the Control Panel view. Check out the hPanel to manage your hosting settings and configurations, which plays a crucial role in managing your website. As you start setting things up, consider who this website is intended for. Whether it's for personal use or business, these steps will help customize the setup to better suit its intended purpose. Next, decide whether you wish to create a fresh website from scratch or migrate an existing one. Then pick the platform where you'd like to establish your website, such as WordPress or any other site builder provided by Hostinger. After that, it's necessary to select a domain, which will be your website's internet address. Take your time to choose a memorable and relevant domain name because first impressions matter. Once you've chosen a domain, hit Next to proceed. Now you have options to personalize your website even further with the help of AI tools provided by Hostinger. Whether optimizing colors, changing text, or adding diverse elements, there's plenty of customization available to reflect your brand and vision. Then, it's time to connect your new website to your chosen domain, making it live and accessible to the world. Follow the prompts, and when ready, click on Next Step and Continue to finalize your setup. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the setup process and are one step closer to bringing your ideas online with a new Hostinger account. Take your time exploring the various features and settings available, and don't hesitate to reach out to Hostinger support if you need extra assistance. Happy website building!